Hey, this is Andy. I just want to give an update on some new news or new information. Today it looked like Palladium jumped up pretty big. It looked like Platinum was bucking the trend in terms of gold being down and silver being down, Platinum being up, and Palladium being way up. So obviously gold was trying to pull Platinum down, and Palladium was pushing Platinum up. So here's a price chart of Palladium, and what we see here is we've got the pattern entered on an up phase, huge sell-off, get a nice, look at that bullish engulfing here, big move back up, lots of buyers stepping into this market, nice slow kind of sell-off here, nice big move kind of up. And we just broke outside the top of this pattern here. And usually when you break outside of these patterns, they'll do like a break, and then they'll kind of like retest the top of this pattern, and then it usually takes off. So, this is something that I'd be watching right now. I'd be watching Palladium and seeing if this thing's going to break to the upside. There's a high potential that it will. And Platinum, still, I do like Platinum. I think it's going to move with Palladium. It did today. You saw that correlation. I know gold's kind of trying to tug Platinum down too. But it broke out. We should be watching it here to see which way Palladium breaks. And I think Platinum has a bunch of stored up energy that's going. And here's a Platinum chart. So this is Platinum. This is years, and this is price. This is the kind of the big picture, and I just kind of drew this in. These are the kind of the pennant flags. Whenever they break out, they'll do like a big run right after. So we're creating this other pennant here, and we're here at the top, and I'll zoom in here. I kind of redrew it. It entered from the it's a continuation pattern. So you enter the top, you come on down, and we're right here. It broke to the downside here, but everything's sold off, so I'd kind of discount that. But we're right here. We're right at the top here of Platinum. And if Palladium is breaking out and Platinum is just delayed, there was some stocks that I traded a long time ago. It was coal companies, and there was a company called KFX. KFX was something that they added to the coal to make it burn more efficiently. All the coal companies would trade a little bit before KFX. We'll call it additive to coal. The coal companies dropped. They dropped huge. It was like a 15+% move on the entire group of coal companies that dropped. And KFX was just sitting behind it. And I was looking at it, and I said, you know what? Let's short this thing. So I shorted. I shorted with a lot of money. It was like $50,000 or more. And it dropped 22% in one day. KFX did, right after those coal companies. And I was sitting there and I was thinking, I was a young trader. I was in my 20s, early 20s. And I was thinking, man, this is a really big day. This is like, $10,000 day or $8,000 day, whatever it was. And I go, I'm going to sell it. I'm going to take that profit. So I took the profit. It was great and all that. And then what I didn't know is that momentum just doesn't stop and turn on a dime. We've been learning those big candlesticks, those big days have a lot of velocity and momentum behind it. And the next day it was down 15%. And I was thinking, man, that would have been a huge day if I got those 2 days. That's like $20-something thousand in 2 days. Damn near 50% return. I could imagine, playing options with that. But what I'm trying to make the analogy is, Palladium's taken off. Platinum's got this stored energy right here. This is stored energy. And it hasn't broken out yet. And I think if the whole entire precious metals complex is taken off, if gold's going up, silver's going up, and Palladium just broke out, what do you think this is going to do next? I think Platinum is prime to move next. And all this stored energy in this huge chart, this is a 15-year plus chart here, 20-year chart almost. This has a ton of energy. And this right here, when it breaks, it's going to move, and it's going to move big. I don't know how far up it's going to go. 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. I'm not sure. Maybe it goes to 10,000. Maybe it matches gold and gold goes to 8,000 and platinum goes to 8,000. I'm not 100% sure how high this thing's going to go, but it's going to go higher and it's going to go quick. So this is a really good opportunity, I think, to watch this. And I've been an accumulator. The people that know me know that I've been buying platinum aggressively all in here. And I've been telling people that I know to buy it. So if it breaks here, I think we're going to see a big move upward. So click subscribe, smash the like button. Appreciate you spending the time with me. Thank you.